Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to replace Hyundai Sonata front bumper. Only ways. Begin by parking on level ground and chalking the rear wheels. Disconnect the battery to avoid electrical issues when removing lamps. Use jack stands if lifting the car and never rely on a jack alone. Gather basic tools, replacement clips, and a new bumper cover before starting. Work methodically from the top fasteners to the underside to avoid breaking tabs. Start by opening the hood and loosening top fasteners that secure the bumper cover. Turn the front wheels for easier access to wheel well screws and remove lower splash shield fasteners. Unplug fog light and sensor connectors before attempting to pull the bumper free. Release the side clips gently to avoid breaking mounting tabs. With an assistant, pull the bumper straight forward to free the clips and set the old bumper aside safely. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more straightforward repair videos. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs well with practical projects and budgeting for repairs. I use it for saving for parts and sensible repair choices. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Place the new bumper on a soft surface and test fit it against the vehicle to confirm alignment. Transfer any brackets, absorbers, or trim pieces from the old bumper and secure them. Reconnect fog lights, sensors, and ensure wiring is routed away from pinch points. With an assistant, align the bumper tabs and press them into place, then reinstall top, wheel well, and lower fasteners. Double-check fitment and tighten all bolts evenly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.